Grumpy Monkey. Are we there yet? Hi, my name is Werner. I've been reading hundreds of books for you. Please subscribe to get them all. And watch until the end, where a surprise is waiting for you. Your mom can help you with that. Thank you. Chimpanzee and his friend Tortoise were on their way to the pineapple plant. The pineapple plant was on the other side of the jungle. "We will get there faster if you carry me," Tortoise said to Chim. "But you are heavy," said Chim. "Please," said Tortoise. And so Chim carried Tortoise. "Are we there yet?" asked Tortoise. "Not even close," said Chim. They walked some more and came upon their friend Norman. Norman decided to come along. "Are we there yet?" asked Tortoise. "No," said Chim. "Please stop asking me that question." They walked and walked. All that walking was making Chim tired. "Are we there yet?" asked Tortoise. Tortoise was not being patient. That made Chim mad. "We are not there yet," shouted Chim. "Look," said Norman, "I found a butterfly." Tortoise and Chim stopped their shouting to look. "I wonder if we can find any more neat bugs," said Norman. "I bet I can," said Tortoise. She searched and found a beetle. "A beetle is better than a butterfly," she said. "I found 2 worms," said Chim. "I found a whole line of ants," said Tortoise. The friends were so busy finding bugs, they almost didn't realize they had arrived at the pineapple plant. "Looks like the bugs got here first," said Norman. "Ah!" cried Chim. He was very tired and hungry. "I guess we'll have something to eat back home," said Tortoise. But Chim was so tired, he did not think he could take another step. "Are we there yet?" Valentine Gross-Out by Suzanne Lang and Max Lang. Chimpanzee was enjoying a nap in the sun when a voice awakened him. "Chim, do you like my flower?" tweeted Oxpecker. "My boyfriend gave it to me, because we are in love." "Love," said Chim, "gross." "Don't be jealous. Also, my boyfriend is making me a romantic dinner for Valentine's Day," tweeted Oxpecker. "Valentine's Day? What's that?" asked Chim. "It's a day for love," replied Oxpecker. "Full of hearts and sweets and flowers and romance. It's the loveliest, doviest, most wonderfulest holiday." "Yuck," said Chim. "It sounds more like the grossest holiday." Chim went to find his neighbor Norman. "I bet Norman thinks Valentine's Day is as gross as I do," thought Chim. But when he got to Norman's branch, his neighbor was busy. "I'm making some love cards," said Norman. "Catch you later." Jim couldn't believe it. Even Norman liked Valentine's Day. Everywhere Jim went, there were couples being gross. Couples exchanging cards, couples gazing into each other's eyes, couples giggling for no reason, couples slow dancing, cuddling couples, snuggling couples. And worst of all, kissing couples. Finally, Jim couldn't take it anymore. "Everyone, Valentine's Day is the grossest holiday." "It's true. All the kissing is pretty gross," said Norman. "But Valentine's Day isn't just about couples. There are lots of kinds of love," said Norman. "Like the love you have for your parents." "And the love parents feel for their children," said Jim's mum. "And the love you feel for your friends," said Norman. "Valentine's Day is about showing the people you love that you love them," said Jim's dad. Jim's arms were full of things that made him feel loved. It was a nice feeling that he wanted to share. And so he made valentines for all his friends and family. Maybe Valentine's Day isn't so gross after all, he thought. Gross! Please subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you. Enjoy my new series Oliver and Jumpy. 19 video books with about 500 pictures. There's text, but I also read it aloud for the younger children. I have written 65 stories and had them illustrated at great cost for your children's fun. Oliver is an elegant tomcat and Jumpy is his lady friend. Oliver loves to ride in Jumpy's pouch when they go for adventures together. Please find a link to the first book in the description of this video. Please always subscribe and like if you find my effort interesting. Thank you so much.